Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to use Skrill to pay on Epic Games by creating a Skrill virtual card. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Skrill account, head over to skrill.com, sign up and complete the verification process. It's quick and straightforward. Once your account is ready, now create a Skrill virtual card. After that, head to the Epic Games website or launcher, browse for the games you want, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At the payment page, select credit or debit card as your method. Enter the details of your Skrill virtual card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, your game will appear in your Epic Games library. Launch it and start playing. And that's how you can use Skrill to pay on Epic Games by creating a virtual card. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.